Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this video, we'll show you how to update your Debutify theme. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and find the theme you want to update. Click on the three dots. From the drop-down menu, select Download Theme File. A pop-up window will appear on your screen. Your email address will be displayed in the pop-up. This is the email linked to your Shopify account. Click on the Send Email button. Shopify will start preparing your theme file for export. This process may take a few moments, depending on the size of your theme. Once ready, Shopify will automatically send the download link to your email address. After a short time, go to your email inbox and look for the message. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or promotions folder. Open the email and click on the download link to access your theme file. The file will be downloaded in zip format, ready for use in the next steps. Next, go to the Debutify Theme Manager dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Download Theme. This will open a drop-down menu with multiple options. Select Update Theme from the list. Once selected, the Update Debutify Theme pop-up will appear on your screen. Inside this pop-up, click on the Drop Files or Browse to upload. Now, select the Debutify theme zip file that you previously downloaded from your email. Make sure you upload the original zip file without extracting it, otherwise the update may fail. The system will now begin processing your theme file. During this step, Debutify automatically upgrades your theme to the latest version, while keeping your existing settings and customizations intact. Please wait a few minutes while the update is completed and automatically download theme. Make sure to save this updated zip file on your computer, as you'll need it for uploading back to your Shopify store in the next step. Now, return to your Shopify admin dashboard. Follow these steps to upload your updated theme. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Then make sure you're on the Themes page. On the top right side of the page, click on the Import Theme button. From the drop-down menu, select Upload Zip File. A pop-up window will appear on your screen. Click on the Add File button inside the pop-up. Now, locate and select the updated Debutify theme zip file from your computer. Make sure you upload the file in .zip format without extracting it, otherwise the upload will fail. After selecting the file, click on the Upload File button to begin the process. Shopify will now upload and install your theme. This usually takes a few seconds, depending on your file size and internet speed. Once the upload is complete, the theme will appear in your Themes library under the Unpublished Themes section. Now, click on the three dots next to the theme and select Preview to see how your Debutify template looks on your store. Make sure everything is working perfectly and matches your expectations. And that's it! Your Debutify theme is now successfully updated and ready to use. You're all set to continue building and launching your store. If you need any help, Debutify's support team is always here for you. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with Debutify theme.